tractor is very busy on the farm. There are lots of jobs to do. Chug 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 chug. The green tractor plows the heavy field. And he gets very muddy. You are muddy just like us, says the pigs. Soon, green tractor brings hay to the cow, carrots to the horse, and apples to the pig. The hungry animals are very happy to see green tractor. Chug 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 chug. Oink 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 oink, says the pigs. Moo moo, says the cow. Oink 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 oink. Neigh 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 neigh. You are very dirty. You are muddy just like us, says the pigs. Let's get you cleaned up, says Farmer Fred. Shh, 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 goes the hose. Soon, green tractor is clean again. It's been a very busy day. Chug 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 chug. Chug 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 chug. Chug 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 chug.